Casement windows are a favorite among Redmond homeowners for their versatility, energy efficiency, and timeless style. They open outward on hinges, much like doors, allowing for excellent ventilation and unobstructed views of the beautiful Pacific Northwest scenery. However, with Redmond's mix of rainy winters, cool springs, and sunny summers, your casement windows need regular attention to stay in top shape year-round. Here are some seasonal maintenance tips to help you keep your casement windows functioning smoothly and looking their best, no matter what the Redmond weather brings. Spring. Clean and inspect after the rainy season. Spring in Redmond often marks the end of the damp, chilly winter months, making it the perfect time to give your casement windows a thorough cleaning and inspection. Clean the glass and frames. Use a gentle glass cleaner or a mix of vinegar and water to remove grime and water spots that may have built up during the rainy season. Wipe the frames, especially the hinges and handles, with a mild soap solution to prevent dirt from accumulating. Inspect the seals and weather stripping. Look for cracks, peeling, or deterioration in the weather stripping. The constant moisture and temperature changes can cause materials to expand and contract, leading to small air leaks. Replacing worn-out seals will help maintain your home's energy efficiency and keep spring allergens out. Check the hardware. Spring is also a good time to test your windows' cranks, locks, and hinges. If they feel stiff or squeaky, apply a silicone-based lubricant to the moving parts. It's less likely than oil-based products to attract dust or grime. Summer. Maximize ventilation and prevent overheating. Summers in Redmond can be mild but occasionally warm, and casement windows are great for catching cool breezes. However, a few small maintenance steps can help them perform even better. Tighten loose components. Frequent use during summer months can loosen handles or cranks. Check all screws and tighten them if necessary to prevent operational issues later. Keep tracks and hinges clear. Casement windows rely on clean, debris-free hinges to open and close smoothly. Dust, pollen, and small outdoor particles can collect in the corners or frames, so wipe them down regularly. Inspect for insect screens. Make sure your window screens are intact and securely fastened to keep mosquitoes and flies out while allowing airflow. If the mesh is torn, replace it immediately to maintain proper ventilation. Use UV protective treatments. To prevent sun fading on furniture and floors, consider adding a low-E coating or UV protective film to your casement windows. This small investment can improve energy efficiency and comfort while protecting your interiors. Fall. Prepare for cooler weather as temperatures drop. It's time to get your casement windows ready for Redmond's cooler, wetter months. Reapply sealant if needed. Inspect the caulking around the exterior of your windows. If you notice cracks or gaps, reapply a high-quality, weather-resistant sealant. Proper sealing prevents rainwater and cold drafts from sneaking inside. Test for air leaks. On a windy day, hold your hand near the window edges. If you feel a draft, it's a sign the seals may need tightening or replacement. Addressing leaks early helps you maintain indoor comfort and reduce heating costs. Clean and lubricate again. Give your hardware another round of cleaning and lubrication before the winter moisture sets in. Properly maintained hinges and cranks resist corrosion and ensure smooth operation even in damp conditions. Winter. Protect against moisture and condensation. Winter in Redmond brings plenty of rain and cool temperatures, conditions that can test your window's durability. Monitor for condensation. If you notice condensation between panes or along the inside edges, it could indicate a broken seal or excess indoor humidity. Use a dehumidifier or improve ventilation to reduce moisture levels. Inspect for water damage. After heavy rainfall, check window sills and frames for signs of water pooling or discoloration. Promptly dry any damp areas to prevent mold growth or wood rot. Keep windows closed during storms. Although casement windows are great for ventilation, it's best to keep them shut during strong winds or heavy rain. Make sure the locks are engaged to prevent water seepage and maintain insulation. Final thoughts: casement windows are a smart and stylish choice for Redmond homes, offering fresh air, natural light, and year-round functionality. But to keep them performing their best, seasonal maintenance is essential. By cleaning regularly, checking seals and hardware, and addressing small issues early, you'll extend your window's lifespan, maintain energy efficiency, and preserve your home's comfort through every season. With a little care, and help from local window professionals when needed, your casement windows will continue to deliver beauty, security, and lasting performance in Redmond's ever-changing climate.